2012 Dodge Ram 1500 5.7 liter V8. Still got factory converters there and there. Then it winds into a single 3-inch all the way back. We continued that. We did a muffler delete on it with a wide pipe right there, and put some 4-inch by 18 rolled black tips right there. It just accents the red really nicely, the black tips. There and there, we left the resonators on it. There's the wide pipe and muffler delete like we showed you earlier. Let us know what you guys think in the comments, and we'll have a link to the tips hopefully in the comments. Thank you. Much better. Dodge Ram 1500 4x4. 1 second tip. Again. Sound decibels, go ahead. It's at 109, bro, on the sound decibels. That's awesome. Gotta back it out.